12 surprising and unique uses of ice cubes. What is the first image that comes to your mind when you hear the word ice? Most probably, the snow-laden valley of Kashmir or a few melting cubes in a glass on a hot summery day. However, there are a whole lot alternatives uses for ice that one can explore. Take a look at some of the unusual and surprising uses for ice cubes. Get rid of tan. Ice provides a very cooling and soothing feeling when applied on skin. Ice helps in cooling off sunburn. All you have to do is apply some cubes on the affected area. This is an effective home remedy to get rid of the tanning. Makeup rescue. If you are going out and you don't have time to put on makeup, then ice can be your saving grace. Ice gives your skin a fresh, dewy feel that would make your skin look radiant even without any makeup on. Apply an ice cube wrapped in a soft cloth or tissue before you put on your makeup to make it last longer. Take care of acne. Applying ice on the acne not only has a soothing effect on skin, but also helps to choose swollen pores and prevent bacteria from entering your skin. Take ice in a washed cloth and rub it over scars for 10 minutes every day. This will help tightening pores and reduce inflammation. Painless plucking. Practically, all women go through the periodic painful procedure of having their eyebrows plucked. Rubbing an ice cubes across the eyebrow line makes the region temporarily numb, thus reducing the agony of plucking. Repeat the procedure after plucking eyebrows as it helps in preventing redness. Chewing gum remover. Even though one is too ashamed to admit it, but it is a very generic accident of finding a chewing gum stuck on your hair or clothes. Ice happens to be a lifesaver in such situations, as it hardens the gum, which you can easily scrape off without causing much damage to the surface. Splinter remover. If a splinter gets stuck in your skin, the best course of action would be to numb the affected region with ice. After that, you can use a pair of tweezers to smoothly dig out the splinter. This is not only an effective trick but painless one as well. Wrinkle remover. If you are in a hurry to go out but can't get rid of these wrinkles on your clothes, then here is a handy tip for you. Rub an ice cube wrapped in a soft cloth over your wrinkled shirt and after that iron the shirt. Prevent blisters. Apply ice cubes wrapped in a cloth on the blisters or burns to prevent further damage to the skin. You can also apply an ice pick on the blister to reduce swelling. Aid for muscle pain. Due to its inherent property to reduce inflammation and swelling, ice works wonder on the muscle pain or sprained ankles, thus giving an instant relief by reducing pain. Reheating rice. Reheating rice in the microwave makes it tasteless and dry. So the best thing to do is to put an ice cube over the rice bowl before heating it. The melting ice will provide the much needed moisture to the rice. So why don't you try out these unusual and surprising uses of ice cubes and tell us which one worked for you.